Once, there was an old farmer who lived in a village. He had worked hard all his life. But his 3 sons were lazy and fought with each other. They could never work together. The farmer became worried about their future. One day, he called his sons to him. They stood around him, wondering why he called them. He brought out a bundle of sticks. He asked the eldest son to break it. The eldest tried but failed. Then, the second son tried but also failed. Even the youngest son could not break it. The farmer smiled and untied the bundle. He gave 1 stick to each son. This time, they broke the sticks easily. The farmer said, "Together you are strong. Alone, you are weak." The sons understood their father's lesson. They promised to work together. From that day, they never fought again. They began working together on the farm. One plowed the land. Another planted seeds. And the youngest watered the plants. They enjoyed working together. Their hard work showed results. The farmer felt proud of his sons. They harvested together. They celebrated their success. They built a new barn together. The father blessed them. They also helped their neighbors. Everyone respected them. The farmer was finally at peace. He lived to tell stories to his grandchildren. The family stayed united forever. Their barn was always full. They worked in all weather. They thanked God for blessings. The father's dream came true. They never forgot their father's lesson. They passed the lesson to others. Moral: hard work and unity bring success.